This is Ann from the sunny deserts of Arizona. Today I'd like to show you my Singer 5528. This machine is all metal. It's a beautiful little machine that's very portable. It has what's called an extension table, which is this table right here, that comes out that allows you to do your free arm sewing. Also, you'll note while we're down here, the bobbin goes right in here, which is your underneath thread for sewing. So let's put the extension table back in, which is also all metal, and I'll show you the other parts of this machine. I truly like this machine. It's very basic. It has 6 different stitches. It also has a buttonhole area, automatic buttonhole. It has right here is your length of your stitch. It goes from 0 to 4, so if you want a smaller stitch, you go in 0 or 1. If you want a longer stitch for basting, you go up to 4. Right here, this little dial here tells you your width of your stitch. For just regular stitching, it would be on the 0. As you move this dial or lever up, it goes to a very wide width, so that you could create patterns going back and forth with this dial. Over here, which is just a round dial here, which is very nice, shows you what type of stitch you'll get. For your number 1, you're setting number 1, 0 here, that would be your straight stitch. As you move this dial up, it becomes your zigzag stitch for your number 1. So either you're going to use your straight or your zigzag stitch, and then 2 will be different types of zigzag, 3 finishing stitches, 4 looks like another kind of finishing stitch, 5 is your blind stitch, and 6 is some kind of a scallop stitch. So there's really not too many dials or anything. Everything's marked. It's very clear. This would be a great machine for a beginning sewer, or it would be a good machine for anyone that wants something that's very portable and laptop ready. So now I'd like to show you how this machine works. I've got 2 layers of denim here, and what I'm going to do is I have it set on 1, which is your straight stitch, and I'm going to put it down to the 0 setting, and I'm going to put this denim material in, and we're going to show you how this machine runs. And reverse, we'll lock the stitch in, and we'll bring it out. Oh, I had it set on 1, so it was starting to look like a little bit of a zigzag stitch. Let's get it down on 0. We'll try that again. Great stitch. Beautiful. And with the darker thread, you can see no hesitations in here. We're locking our stitch in. The motor on this machine works just beautifully. And you can see that this has a beautiful stitch on both sides. So let's do a zigzag stitch here so that you can see. And again, this is heavy denim here, so we're going to do. Oops. Let me show you how easy it is to thread this machine. I didn't realize I didn't have enough of the thread coming down. So basically what you do is you just find the eye, and then there we go. You thread it right in there. So it's really easy. Front to back on this machine. Some machines have left to right, but this is front to back. This one makes a very nice design as the stitches go up. It's just a really, I can't say enough about, look at how pretty that pattern is on both sides. It just makes a real nice stitch. Okay, so that's our denim. Let's say you you have a project. And I wouldn't suggest doing a lot of industrial type sewing on this machine, but every once in a while you have a project and you're going to want to do some heavier material. So we're going to try, let's turn this to number 2. Always make sure that your needle is in the up position before you start changing your dial there for the next stitch. And this is the vinyl, the heavy vinyl that one can use for making cushions and other things. But see how nice that stitches on both sides. And it really didn't, it didn't hesitate. So let's say you have some drapery material that you're going to want to use. And I'm going to turn this to 5. My needle's in the upright position. And let's make it a longer stitch. All right, so this is my fabric that you would use for upholstery or even for curtains. And I'm doing a blind stitch here. All right, let me show you. And again, sometimes it's hard to see. But that was your blind stitch. There is no problem to that. So as you can see, it'll sew the heavier material. It'll sew the lighter chiffon material. This is just a really nice overall machine. This is the Singer 5528. Thanks for looking. Have a great afternoon. Bye now.